Huh?
Check out the water.
Whoa.
Yeah, watch out
Whoa.
for out above you. You're alright.
Wow. It's my backyard. Half the reason I moved up here. Little swirly gig. Snow's coming down too at a pretty good clip. Not like it was earlier, but definitely accumulating stuff. And this is the doggy, Oscar de la Renta. Dolly. Turkey dinner.
Yeah, baby.
Further?
Yep.
By the way, this is Joe in his snowshoes. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Looking for a cool place.
Have to find a big ass pine. Fucking get underneath.
Yes, absolutely. A big ass pine. Stop knocking the trees and friggin' I'm wearing it. Whoa, there's some big ass pines right up there. Remember where we were the other day?
Where?
Out when we were out here, there's definitely some nice alcoves, if you will. Alcoves. The river runs through it. You going over to the, huh? He's loving it, isn't he? Whoa. Careful on the bridge. Is that the godforsaken bridge? Jesus, yeah, a little slippery. This is beautiful. Nice. Back on the flip side.